If you're having problems with your GoveeLife heater where every time you try to do something it beeps at you and the little lock symbol is flashing, it's because you've accidentally put lock on. So on this middle button, if you were to hold it down for a few seconds, the lock symbol will go off, and then, for example, you can stop it oscillating, or you can use the timer, or you can turn it off. So if it's beeping at you like that, it just means you've set the lock, and to set the lock you just need to hold that down a few seconds, and to unset the lock, take the lock off, you need to hold it down a few seconds. So let's turn it back on, and then if we want to lock it at this particular, so let's go up to level 2 here. If we want to lock it at that one, we just hold this down for a few seconds, and there you go, you can see the lock light has lit up. And then to unlock it, hold it down for a few seconds. So it's a nice little feature. Maybe if you've got young children around and you don't want them messing around with the settings, after you've got the settings you like, you can just press the lock button, and then it doesn't matter what anybody does, they won't be able to change the settings until you unlock it. Thanks for watching.